Hello birds! Welcome to Giggle and Guess, the place where silly questions, big choices and giggles never end. Are you ready to pick between the wildest, weirdest and most wonderful options ever? Let the guessing begin.
What's your favorite snack? Crackers or trail mix? What's your favorite snack? Banana chips or granola bar? What's your favorite snack? Raisins or dried mango? What's your favorite snack? Oat cookies or honey sticks? What's your favorite snack? Cornflakes or Choco Puffs? What's your favorite snack? Cheese sandwich or jam sandwich? What's your favorite snack? Nachos or garlic breadsticks? What's your favorite snack? Applesauce or yogurt cup? What's your favorite snack? Fruit smoothie or iced tea? What's your favorite snack? Zucchini chips or sweet corn cup? What's your favorite snack? Baked beans or mashed potatoes? What's your favorite snack? Cereal bar or rice pudding? What's your favorite snack? Cinnamon toast or chocolate toast? What's your favorite snack? Veggie sticks or mini burger? What's your favorite snack? Chicken wraps or egg rolls? What's your favorite snack? Jelly cup or pudding cup? What's your favorite snack? Banana smoothie or strawberry milk? What's your favorite snack? Mini cheese pizza or sausage rolls? What's your favorite snack? Fruit kebabs or veggie patties? What's your favorite snack? Cheese balls or salted peanuts? What's your favorite snack? homemade muffins, or energy bites? What's your favorite snack? Tofu cubes or paneer sticks? What's your favorite snack? Waffle sticks or French toast bites? What's your favorite snack? Chocolate milk or lemonade? What's your favorite snack? Fruit leather or marshmallows? What's your favorite snack? Cucumber sandwiches or tomato slices? What's your favorite snack? Caramel popcorn or buttered popcorn? What's your favorite snack? Nutella toast or peanut butter toast? What's your favorite snack? Cereal with milk or paratha with jam? What's your favorite snack? Cup noodles or veggie soup?
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you in the next video.